In technical optimization, we have one point which is robots.txt. By robots.txt file, we instruct Google bot or crawler which pages are to be crawled and which are not to be crawled. So let's see some robots.txt files of some different websites. All you have to do is write the URL of the website and write robots.txt and hit enter. Now, if you see, this is how a robots.txt file looks. User agent star means all, that all the user agents which you can say Google and Yahoo, Bing are allowed, and what we are disallowing are here my account, cart, checkout. These all pages are disallowed, that we don't want Google to crawl these pages and even index these pages. So that's how a robots.txt file looks like. You can see on any other different website as well. Now, how to set up our robots.txt file. The good part about WordPress is that it automatically sets a robots.txt file. Let's see by default robots.txt files, and also let's see how to edit. So if you see, it's user agent star, that all the bots are allowed. Disallowed page is WP admin, which is your login page, and this is a file which we have to allow. So it's a by default syntax. Now if you go to dashboard, let's see how to edit it. Go to Yoast SEO, go to tools, and you can go to this file editor. You can see this create robot.txt file. So it's creating another robot.txt file, which we already have. That was the default one. If you see, it has created that particular robot.txt file is now here. And now whatever you want to write, you can write here. Also, if you see, most of the sites have their sitemaps also linked here. If you see sitemap, this is this. So we can also give a sitemap here. Let's see what our sitemap is all about. Again, in WordPress, you would have sitemaps created by default. Okay, so as it's saying, this page doesn't seem to be exist. Let's try again. Or in that case, we can go to Yoast, go to General, and see if our sitemaps are on or not. If you see, yes, our sitemap is on. Now, when you click on sitemap, see the sitemap. So now it's showing the sitemap. So all what we are doing is we are also giving this particular sitemap in our robots.txt file. I go to my robot.txt file in tools, file editor, and here also I'm writing my sitemap : and if you see, there's one more. This is just the way how you can edit it. I'm just showing you how to edit it. And if you see the sitemap, and that's how they have given. And if in case you want to write this particular comment, show sitemap to Google, so you can also write this. This is a comment. This is nothing, not a piece of code. It's just a comment. And what we are doing is we are also taking this pages sitemap. And save changes. So this would save changes to our robots.txt file. That's how you can edit. At times, maybe you want to give more syntax that, okay, what pages you want Google to see and what pages you don't want Googlebot to see. You can also see different robots.txt file and analyze. In case of e-commerce, you might want to put more disallow, and like in a geo, they are disallowing the reviews, the cart, the checkout pages, etc. So it's a big robot.txt file. You can again make it and again put it here in tools and save changes to the robot.txt file.